must-have elements to generation leads. A lead generation campaign is useful for, well, just that, generating leads. It's a great data-driven strategy for companies that want to have a clear measurement of their ROI across marketing, advertising, and media spends. Before we begin, do all the necessary things to get only best practices. So, how is lead actually generated? There are a lot of pieces that can go into a lead generation campaign, and one of them is AnyBiz.io that provides cold email campaign launch in easy way. But here are 5 must-have elements to a successful lead generation. Let's have a look. Landing page. First, identify a central location to obtain leads, the most common being a landing page. The main goals of the landing page are to segment the campaign from the main website. A landing page is a branded, campaign-specific web page that should not be a part of your main website's navigation. Or use the same domain name, but rather a vanity URL that reflects the campaign name. Serve as a destination for an ad. You attracted them one way or another with your ad messaging or visuals, so a landing page allows you to reinforce that messaging and encourage them to take further action. Not distract the user. High converting landing pages do not have navigation or external links. The sole goal of a lead generation landing page is to guide the user experience so they convert to a lead. The next one clear call to action. A call to action CTA is a good starting point to work backwards from when mapping out the user experience on a landing page as you guide them from attraction to conversion. CTAs are a necessary messaging strategy to incentivize and inform the lead about what it is you have to offer them in exchange. Best practice indicates that in order to generate leads, something of value needs to be provided to that lead in order to take the desired action. It's important to only have a single CTA though, so it is very clear about the action the user should take next in your relationship with them. Here are a few examples of clear CTAs. To apply this approach to your organization, download your complimentary how-to guide. Sign up for our free educational webinar to learn more. Ready, get started. Request a product demo today. Number 3, conscious method for lead capture. You could have eye-catching ads, phenomenal copywriting on your landing page, and a really useful product. But if you do not have a simple way for visitors to become leads, you will not see the ROI that you wanted. Forms are the most efficient way to capture leads information. Since a form has a direct influence on how many leads you generate, here are a few considerations. Location of the form on the landing page, make it immediately visible. Number of fields included, keep it short. Necessity of fields included for your sales team, obtain the bare minimum information. Descriptive, actionable CTA and form button explain what value a lead is about to receive. And privacy, ensure lead information is secure. And finally, be fun, make filling out information worth the time. So, if to sum up, the information should be structured, visible, clear, and easy. Follow-up nurture communication to enforce value. Once a lead has been generated, there is no guarantee that the lead you've captured is qualified and truly ready to become a customer. To get leads to this point, follow-up communication tactics are used to nurture leads through a sales process until they are ready for your sales team. These additional touch points with your lead may seem like additional unnecessary work, but research tells us that the investment is worth it. Nurtured leads produce on average a 20% increase in sales opportunities versus non-nurtured leads. In addition to increasing the likelihood of a sale, the nurturing process offers many additional benefits to organizations. Within these communications, they can share their brand voice, promote their culture, educate on what value they can bring, and cultivate relationships with their potential customers. AnyBiz also took care of it because almost 40% of deals are broken because of the follow-up lag. So if there is no response or auto-reply, we have got the follow-up system to make leads answer. And the last one, solid analytics reporting tools. A lead generation campaign can be challenging if all you focus on is total conversions. While this is a key metric to determining success, if you like to geek out on the numbers like myself, you can find really unique insights in other useful metrics that influence conversion total. These insights can help you to continually optimize your campaign for improvement with clear benchmarks to work towards. So the visual aspect of your campaign performance has been made more readable and clear on AnyBiz with new performance campaign dashboard. There are a variety of helpful reporting tools and sources you can set up at the beginning of your campaign to collect data from, but your top priority should be Google Analytics and utilizing a marketing automation platform to run your campaign, such as AnyBiz.io.